Okay. Here we go. There we go. Peachy is first per usual. Let's go. Still camera's not working, but that is what it is. It's okay. Yeah. Grifter, what's up? How's it going? Dude, yeah, this camera is actually an op. It's the last thing it will do is work. So, since the cameras are working, I can like move scenes and stuff pretty easily, and the camera won't have to wait to load. So, this is Freddie McKinney's stream right there. They're in the snow, chasing the snow up north. I'm waiting for the radar to load right now, so I'll give you that view of them. Chilling on your Sunday. For real, that's nice. I go back to school tomorrow, so I'm doing what I love for the last bit. Wow, that's actually pretty impressive rotation here near Redland. Headed towards Catham. Just heading into Catham, yeah. Hollandale, Arcola, Isola, Inverness, Bourbon, Dorlo, all those areas in Mississippi. This is actually just north of Rolling Fork, and there's a storm near Rolling Fork that has a bit of rotation, so we need to be keeping our eyes on that. I'm going to change over to the radar now that it loaded. Okay, there we go. So here's a storm just north of Rolling Fork. I could see them putting a tornado warning on this pretty soon. There's Rolling Fork right here. Pretty significant tornado town. Then Catham, Hollandale, Arcola, Isola, Inverness, areas like that. You need to be taking shelter because that is definitely a storm capable of putting down a tornado at any time. And then back over here we have a possible tornado. Let me check. Where's the best radar for that? Windows, show warnings window. Now let's wait for that radar to load for a second. You're gonna get some pop real quick? Okay. Not a very good look at this. I don't think that's debris. I think that's just like hail up in the atmosphere. So that's what I think we're looking at right there. I don't think there's actually like a tornado on the ground. Radar does not have a very good look at that. Oh, maybe it is. That's all debris. That's crazy because that just went damaging tornado. Is that PDS? What? That's really wow. Wait, let me refresh this page. It'll give me the details. Do 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 do. The tweet hasn't come out yet, but it looks like they upgraded this to a at least confirmed, but I think it's PDS. It's a Torar for sure. So if you're in White, Beekman, North Bonetta, Jones, Western Walmart, in southern Hamburg, that would be on the Arkansas Louisiana border. They need to be taking shelter because it looks like there might be a tornado on the ground heading your direction. There's a damaging tornado. Radar confirmed on the ground. Bouncing around streams, checking nearest chaser. Yeah. Respectable. I've been all around the streams today and trying to get mine to work. Finally, it looks like it might work, except for the webcam, but that's okay. Observed, yeah. So this is observed tornado. So everyone in White, Beekman, and West Wilmot, and everywhere in between there, y'all need to be getting into your safe spot right now because there is a tornado on the ground right there, and the NWS thinks so too. So everyone there needs to be taking shelter immediately. Also, we're watching all these pre-finals. The storms have been spinning a lot today. The storm in Grant County near Dry Prong could definitely be tornado warned in the future. All these looking really, really interesting. You just ate cheese curds a few minutes ago. Oh no, that's why I'm pretty sure when you just ate cheese curds, once you got done eating cheese curds, that's when they issued the observed warning. That's kind of on you now. But yeah, let me see if my thing wants to work ever. No, the GoPro just does. The GoPro does not like working. Apparently, it says USB connected, and it actually isn't. Okie dokie. I don't see this being a big tornado producer right now, honestly. It doesn't look very good, but that's because we're looking literally 10,000 feet in the air right now. If that right there is debris that's lofted 10,000 feet into the air, that is crazy. Do you regret that? Yeah. I've had like cheese curds maybe once, maybe twice. I don't really remember how they were though. Isn't it just like deep fried cheese basically? Okay. Let me see. Tornado warnings were at 3. Um, really, this one's probably going to be able to expire near Marion and Hales? Nope, Haley. Haley? I don't know. That town name. You're on. Dominic, what's up? Lessons have been taught and you're back. Let's go. On form, you're on top of everything right now. Yes, indeed. On the Discord. Yep, we do have the Discord server up and running for the most part now. It's a functionable Discord server. I'm gonna have to keep my eye on this one near Dry Prong. Yeah, still it looks like it has a decent bit of rotation here. Decent bit of rotation. This is gonna get tornado warned immediately. I would not be surprised. Oh my gosh. Near South Toledo Bend, I'm surprised this is unwarned. That might even be CC right there. Let me check. Actually, wait, there's a radar right here. Maybe it's just not as convincing from that radar. Load, radar, load. You got this. Okay, yeah, up close it doesn't look as crazy, but still got some rotation. Also, this down here, in yeah, wow, yeah, that is definitely concerning. Okay, this will probably get warned really soon. Uh, this down here near Burkeville, and then up near South Toledo Bend, this could get warned really soon as well. Um, Also here in Jasper County near Magnolia Springs in Kirbyville, definitely. And wow, this right near the radar here in Temple and right south of it as well. Those are very impressive looking storms. I'm going to move back up here. Got Jordan Hall there. What? Is that the best radar? I don't know if that's the best radar. We'll see. No, I think this is. No, it's this. By a little bit. This is in terrible radar coverage. Dude, if this is all a CC drop near white, oh yeah, that is. Wow. That's been like consistent shallow CC for a while. That is crazy. That's a serious situation. If you're in South Hamburger, not Hamburger, Hamburg. If you're in West Parkdale, if you're in West Wilmot, Jones, Beekman, areas like that, you definitely need to be taking shelter because there's definitely this storm's definitely tornadic, and wouldn't be surprised if it has a tornado on the ground right now, and it could definitely put one down at any time. Also, let's try to share the stream. Let's try to get it to as many people as possible because there's a lot. This kind of been like a less hyped up event. It was kind of like a surprise. It uptrended last second a lot. So you need to make sure people know what to do, know when to get in their safe spots and everything. Next scan does not look as impressive, but still, we'll not want to fully disregard that. Gonna take a look at this. Catham County still. Not Catham County. Catham, the town. That next scan looks slightly less impressive, but if you see, there's still a good velocity couplet there near Arcola. Let me see what that looks like on reflectivity. Yeah. Uh, it's Tornado Warning 3 if you're in Arcola, Estill, Darlove, Percy, Hollandale, Bourbon, Inverness. I can't talk today. Isola, Indianola, and Moorhead. In Mississippi, you need to be taking cover as soon as possible, because there is definitely a chance that this drops a tornado at any moment in time. I don't see a CC drop at the moment, but that could change within a matter of seconds. Okay, give me one moment. Okay. So, once again, let's try to get this to as many people as we can. Wow, yeah. This storm near Estill in Hollandale. We are definitely keeping our eyes on this. Wow. Okay. Okay, give me one moment. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, we're back. So right now we're dealing with a tornado, probably on the ground near Beekman, White. Actually, it's probably moved up to the north here, so heading towards southern parts of Hamburg and western parts of Parkdale. But I would not be surprised uh, if they let that expire soon. It's just the radar's super high, so they might put a precautionary warning, but I'm not sure about PDS or confirmed. But all these storms down here, especially these down here, they all have potential. These look really interesting if we go to the radar down here. You're back, Dominic. What's up? I want to make a subscriber goal today. I usually don't do this, but we're really close to 400 and we need 500 for super chats and stuff. So I think we're 15 away from hitting 400 subscribers. So that's my goal for today. Yeah, the storm near Kirbyville and Magnolia Springs still got that rotation. Would not be surprised if that got tornado warned really soon. As well as this storm up here near Burr Ferry. Burr Ferry? Yeah. Um, yeah, all these storms look so impressive. Oh my gosh. Look at this. All these. Also, yeah, there's all these are spinning. It's crazy. Okay. Also, this line that's coming through definitely has potential for spin ups with the actual lines. So the actual linear part of the storm, this big line back here that's not these individual cells, still has tornado potential. Probably not as strong, but still definitely has the potential to put down some tornadoes. We got rotation here. We've got rotation right up here. We also have rotation here. And especially down here near Jasper. I'm not sure why they haven't tornado warned that yet. It is a bit far away from the radar, though. And we've maybe have like a slight bit of rotation with this storm. Near Dry Prong, maybe a little bit of rotation, and north of there with this storm, definitely Little Creek areas. Would not be surprised if that got a tornado warning in the future. Check the line for anything suspicious. Definitely some areas that could be iffy and that we need to keep our eyes on, but nothing looking too concerning at the moment in terms of this line in the back here. New tornado warning issued. Why can't we have good radar coverage? Let me see. Uh-oh. Atticus is here. W stream for real. Wish we had better radar. I think Mm, I'll go. They think that's the best radar for it. That no, I don't trust that. We're gonna try this radar. Almost at 10 likes. Let's go. Okay, I see where they are looking at here. North of Sterlington, Louisiana. And then also watching the storm up to the north. We really just do not have good radar coverage. Okay, yeah, there we go. That's still really impressive rotation. Slightly less impressive this scan. Slightly less impressive, but still something to keep our eyes on. Still tornado warning, so you need to be taking shelter if you're in Isola, Inverness, Indianola, Hollandale, Arcola, areas like that in Mississippi. And then this storm south of Holly Bluff, still looks like it has a bit of rotation. It's just a small storm. It's like a mini supercell, but those do produce tornadoes often. Well, I wouldn't say often, but they can, and they do. No supercell produces a tornado often. So yeah, if y'all have any questions, put them in chat. I'm gonna go check up here for me, and we're gonna take a look at the winter weather for a second. We're gonna use this radar. Just waiting. Work. Okay, there's lightning with these storms. Probably the lightning will die by the time it gets to me, but I really want to see lightning. Yes, I can, Dominic. Right now, those county names. Give me a second. Boom. So right now, I'm looking at Tennessee. Down here, we're looking at Mississippi and Alabama. So I'll do like a wide view for a second. This is as wide as it goes. So if you're talking about one panel, yeah, I can do that as well. Also, why is this defaulting at smooth? I don't know. But the lightning kind of looking a little bit unimpressive, but it is what it is. I really want lightning because I got some ND filters and other filters, and I want to be able to try them out and capture some lightning. So yeah, these aren't looking too impressive. I'm actually gonna try Memphis radar. Load. Let me check my. I mean, I have it all the way up on both settings I can do. So I'm not sure what's going on there. I've had it to where people will say it's like different volumes every time, but I have it maxed out on both things. So I don't know. I'm gonna take a look at Kansas City area, snow wise. We can find Freddie McKinney and I can do it. I can show you guys. Yeah, so you want to go like this. Look at all that snow. Okay, that's good, Dominic. So yeah, 7 inches of snow reported there. 5 inches up there. 6 inches. 8 inches. 8 inches in Olathe, Kansas. 16 inches near Junction City. That's crazy. So, wait. Place file manager. Okay, there we go. So, Freddy is up here near St. Joseph. Let me show you. So, he's right here. They've just been having just heavy snow all day. And they're unstucking people right now, actually. That's them out there. That's them right now. Those two people out there, that's them trying to push the cars to help get people unstuck. Totally not eating barbecue chops with chips with ramen and pop. That sounds like a vibe. People are going to need snow chains for that. Oh, yeah. A lot of people are still on the roads, and what happened before all the snow came is we had like a ice accumulation event. So there was literally like sheets of like the road was like sheets of ice. So like you walk on it and you could just stop and then go sliding for like a long time. So there's like zero traction. So there's a lot of people getting stuck. So that's a look at Freddy's stream, and they're just trying to help unstuck people. So yeah, there you go. They got one. They did it. They got someone unstuck. Let's go. It's scary to see. Yeah, getting stuck in the snow does not sound fun. Not sound fun at all. But Freddie, Brandon Kopic, people are out there. Freddie has Eli, his friend, and then Garrett from Stormrunner Media, WSRM. They're the best. Freddie and SRM are amazing, and they're working together today to help get people unstuck. And Brandon Kopic, obviously, doing his thing, helping people all the time. So, yeah. We're 1 like away from 10 likes, by the way. That's cool. Yeah. 12 inches of snow. Wow. So, yeah. That's what they're doing there. So, until they kind of see someone else that need to unstuck them, I'm just going to look back at the radar. You can just see the accumulations start to rack up. Looks like our highest snow accumulations around Kansas City are about 8 inches, 7, 8 inches. And then outside of that in Kansas, you've got 12, 16. And I'm going to actually move over to St. Louis. Let's get to 10 likes. Let's get to 10 likes. That's a terminal radar. But wait, can I smooth that? That would be weird. Ugh, that's weird. Yep, that's the snow in that area. There's just like snow stretching everywhere. Okay. So yep, we got like ice freezing rain sort of things mixed up here, and then snow. And that's like heavy snow. That's like flipping 46 dBz right there. It all looks the same. It kind of caps out pretty low because snow doesn't get that dense usually. So yeah, we're getting like a lot. That's like heavy, heavy snow. Like, let me Do non-precipitation type. Yeah, that looks like freaking thunderstorms. But in reality, that is just really, really heavy snow. There's actually been some thunder snow observed, which is really cool. I would really like to see thunder snow sometime in my life. That would be really cool. So yeah, I'm gonna move radar sites over here to southern Indiana. What is thunder snow? Thunder snow is literally when like a thunderstorm is in a cold enough environment. It's like a snowstorm, but it still is so strong. Like it's so strong of an actual storm, it can still put down lightning. So it's like actual lightning. It's when you see lightning in a snowstorm. So you can like literally like see bolts while it's snowing. Some usually it's flashes, but I think there's been one or two bolts observed before. Yeah, thunder snow is really really rare. It is quite rare, but really really cool. So yeah, like 45 dBz over here. It's crazy. Still not much of that wintry preset mix getting down into Tennessee, but that should happen later. I would not mind for school to be canceled, but I doubt it'll be enough for that to happen. Gonna move over here to the Kentucky radar. I always forget that one's the terminal. Okay, there we go. So we got snow moving across northern Kentucky to central Kentucky. Then we got that mix. Then we have like the freezing rain and ice. Jack, what's up? Can't wait for snow? Yeah. You're getting 8 to 12 inches? Golly. Must be nice. Must be nice. 44 dBz, yeah. 46 dBz. That's almost 50 dBz right there. Oh my gosh. That's actually crazy work. Yeah, it looks like a flippin' thunderstorm, but it's snow. Or a mix of freezing rain and snow and stuff. Okay. So yeah, if y'all have any questions, put them in chat. Luke Hatton is actually streaming. That's cool. So yeah, doesn't look like we've had really any snow accumulations in Tennessee yet, which is where I'm from. Yeah, it's just on the edge there. I'm gonna go back down to our severe weather threat. Yeah. Gonna go back to our severe weather threat down here. What radar did I click? Oh. Wow, that's just like terrible radar coverage. I need to like add a radar right about here near Arkansas City. Okay. Turn precipitation type off. Don't need that anymore. Looks like rotation right there, southeast of Bourbon, headed towards Inverness. Yeah, still same storm we were thinking about. Also some near Baird, Indianola, and Moorhead. Also some down near Isola. So multiple areas of rotation with those cells there. Near Yazoo City, we have some rotation on this cell. That's also a very big tornado town. And down here, definitely those could do something interesting soon. So yeah, sorry about that. A little bit tired. We also have these, but we just do not have good enough of a radar, like a look on radar there. Wish we had a better look, but we just don't. Unless you're Arkansas City, you can just make out that there's a little bit of rotation, but nothing more really. Okay. So yeah. Still 1 second. Okay, there we go. Did Davis end the stream? Okay, yeah. Says 10 minutes ago. Okay. You're still making noodles? Okay. That's true. Hey, that's something to do. Yeah, none of this is really observable radar wise. So I think I'm just gonna end off. Cause there's just nothing we can really look at when it comes to these storms. There's these, but they're kind of like choking each other's inflow out. Yeah, there's really not much else to look at. But if something does happen, I'll try to get right back on. So thank you all for joining, and I will see you in the next one.